morning everybody, Hornby and Trains here, good to see you and welcome back to another train vlog. It's only been 5 days since I recorded my West Yorkshire one, and in the background you can see Birmingham International Station. Yes, we are here in the West Midlands today doing a West Midlands day trip. We are not doing the Day Ranger because the day tripper is dead cheap. It's ridiculous, it's extremely cheap, it's incredible. But anyway, yes, we are doing a West Midlands day trip. We are going to all sorts of places. Oh yes, and we're joined with K-Spice6065 yet again.
Yeah, I planned this whole thing.
Yes, we're ready, aren't we, to do the West Midlands? Alright, yeah.
There's a fucking massive BR symbol up there.
Alright, we'll see you on the station. Alright everyone, we are at train station number 1 of the day, Birmingham International. It's got 5 platforms, so we are here for a bit of time before we get our 10:10 TFW services to Smethwick, Galton Bridge. Enjoy what I have to give you. Everyone, we have now met up with the Midlands Transport Hub, who is local. And it was then on to train number 1 of the day, that being TFW 158827, taking us to Smethwick, Galton Bridge. We are now on board train number 1, our TFW 158, and it's a old one. It's got the old seats and these headrests are very nice. Enjoy!
And here we are.
After a 10-minute interchange at Smethwick Galton Bridge, it was on to 172007, taking us to Stourbridge Junction. Train number 2.
Not leaving imminently. You can't just walk.
Alright everyone, welcome to Starbridge Junction. So, I don't have much long because we're literally riding this. Riding this to Stoutbridge Town and then back, so we will be back here. But anyway, alright then, but this train has 3 platforms. This is platform 1. Alright, let's get on. Alright everyone, this is our quick stop at Starbridge Town. Just embrace it as much as you can. We're about to get back onto that 139 back to Starbridge Junction, so enjoy. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
After a long veg at Stourbridge Junction, it was on to West Midlands Railway 172341, taking us back to Smethwick Galton Bridge. Pressing it.
Let's go on first. Sorry.
Right everyone, we are back here at Smethwick Galton Bridge quickly for our next train, which is to Wolverhampton, so we're on platform 3, so we'll see when the train arrives. After another interchange at Smethwick Galton Bridge, it was on to Transport for Wales 158840, taking us to Wolverhampton. everyone, behind me you see Wolverhampton Station. Enjoy. And it was then on to Avanti West Coast 221, 102 and 118, taking us back to Birmingham New Street. Alright everyone, we are now on board our Avanti Voyager, heading to Birmingham New Street. We'll see you at Birmingham New Street. Everyone, welcome to Birmingham New Street Station in the middle of Birmingham, the biggest station outside of London. I'm not even going to bother counting how many platforms it has, and we'll see you when that shows up. We just ran from our Voyager, which is behind the Pendo. Oh, and there it is. And it was then on to West Midlands Railway 323 202, taking us 15 minutes down the Cross City line to Aston.
Place where you can suck ass.
Right everyone, welcome to Aston Station. I think this is part of the Cross City line. This station has 2 platforms. We should see services by West Midlands Railway, mostly 323s. Right, enjoy, let's see what shall turn up. And it was then on to 323 213, taking us back through Birmingham New Street and down to Longbridge.
Subscribe to Holmbian Trains.
Alright everyone, we are now here at Longbridge Station. This station has 2 platforms and 2 through lines. That 323 there is stationary for a couple more minutes. We're heading over to the other platform to try and get it from there. This station is relatively staggered, but not entirely. Enjoy! And it was then on to 323 220, once again taking us back to Birmingham New Street.
And on the station. This is a less exception to plan. Thank you for your cooperation.
Right everyone, we are now off our tram and now we are walking to Birmingham Moor Street in the middle of Birmingham. Anyway, we'll see you at Birmingham Moor Street. Alright everyone, welcome to Birmingham Moor Street. This is another one of 4 of Birmingham's main stations, also located basically in the city centre. This station has 4 platforms and we'll be using services by West Midlands Railway because I don't think we'll see any Chiltern. Enjoy! It was then on to 172341, taking us a few minutes down the line to Birmingham Snow Hill. Alright everyone, after a very last minute plan we got a 1722 Birmingham Snow Hill, which is where we are now.
Yep.
So now we are going to go back to New Street, so enjoy!
Manchester.
everyone, so while we wait for our train back to Birmingham International, where this day will conclude, we decided to come to Birmingham New Street for a little bit to do a bit of vegging, and there's the lovely Grand Central building behind me there. So, be interesting to see what we see. I'm not even going to bother naming all the types of things we'll see, but yeah, just enjoy. And it was then on to our final train of the day, that being DFW 158835, taking us back past the airport and back at Birmingham International Station, where the day concludes.
Fancy service.
Final train journey complete!
Yeah! This is Birmingham International. There's another Avanti for Preston, laddies.
We are back at Birmingham International, and it's time to say goodbye to the Midlands Transport Hub. So thank you for joining us. What was your highlight of today?
Cross City line.
Cross City. Cross City was very
and the
good.
172 and the Stourbridge Junction. And
Yes.
the 172 are
Yes.
fucking new, 3 of all places.
Alright, so see you later.
And that's Jeffrey.
See you later. See you later. See you later. Right, everyone, we are now outside Birmingham International, where our day concludes.
Yes, we have very much been to hell and back.
Yes, it's been very enjoyable.
Yes.
He's planned this all, so thank you to you.
Yep.
And
even if I did forget the map, I had to plan on it.
yeah, but it's all right. I'll find a plan and give it to you.
Yeah, we'll do the full range one next, not just the day trip.
Yeah, we'll do a full-on day ranger for you. This was only the day
probably
tripper.
Leamington-ish.
We've now got a two-hour-ish drive back to Yorkshire, and then yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
You can also be able to subscribe to Home Trains out the way of a 350.
Subscribe.